On every shot, a player goes through a cycle of movement starting from the opponent's impact. The cycle has two main halves. Reception is everything the player does to receive the ball. Projection is what they do to send it. One of the most important elements a player does in this cycle is footwork. For wheelchair players, mobility takes the place of footwork. The cycle starts with the neutral position, where the player can get a solid start. The second component is maneuvering, or the movement of the chair to position for the shot. Next is preparation, where the player transitions from their racket hand pushing the chair to getting set to hit the ball. The final component is recovery, where the player locates and prepares for the next shot. This mobility cycle is important for coaches as a tool to teach, analyze, and develop chair mobility. The player starts each cycle with a neutral position with the body in balance to allow a quick start in any direction. The neutral position can start from a static position, like on a return a serve, or a more dynamic, on-the-move neutral position. The first aspect of a neutral position is contact points. It is important to have maximum contact of the hand and racket on the push rim and wheel. The racket can be held in the fingers while the palm pushes down on the push rim. The goal is to be able to produce a strong push with the racket hand. Keep in mind that quad players may have limitations, like weakened or taped hands, that may affect their ability to push powerfully. The coach must work to find individual solutions to maximize their mobility. The next aspect is balanced push. When starting from a static position, like the return a serve, it is important to balance the push. It is an advantage to be slightly pointed to the left for a right-hander, rather than directly facing the opponent. This compensates for a stronger push available from the non-racket hand. From this modified position, the player can have an equal push with both hands to get to a backhand, or perform a stronger push with the non-racket hand to turn their chair for a forehand. For players with power chairs, these neutral position issues are not relevant. However, all the information in the rest of this video applies.